How to find your Revolut account number. Here's how to find your full Revolut account number and other banking details from the app, useful for receiving payments or setting up transfers. Step 1. Open the Revolut app and log in to your account. Make sure your app is up to date so you see the latest layout. Step 2. Tap the Accounts tab at the bottom of the screen. This shows all the currencies linked to your Revolut account. Step 3. Select the currency you want to find the account number for, like GBP, EUR, or USD. Different currencies show different local details like sort code or IBAN. Step 4. Tap the three-dot menu or Details option next to the selected account. This opens your account info screen. Step 5. Look under Local Account Details or SWIFT Details depending on your region. Here you'll find account number, sort code for UK, or IBAN and BIC/SWIFT for international use. Step 6. Tap and hold to copy the details when you need to share them or use them. This gives you the complete bank info tied to your Revolut account for personal or business transfers. I hope this video helped you. If it did, feel free to like and subscribe. It really supports the channel. And if you've got a question, just drop it in the comments.